All right, it is another beautiful day here in Los Angeles. Getting ready to head over to the cliffs outside of Palos Verdes. I'm gonna be shooting with model Ava and makeup artist Shadara Holmes. And I'm super ready because the sun is beautiful. We don't have any clouds in this Southern California sky. I'm gonna go really editorial today. I'm gonna push it to the limit with our model because she's not very familiar with doing a whole lot of editorial. But oh yeah, we're gonna definitely get it out of her. So let's get packed up and let's go.
Cheers to the drama.
1, 2, 3. Jump towards me, jump towards me.
Like pushing forward. Ready?
1, 2. Just like that. Again. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, fix your underwear. Put them right up under your swim. I like that. Hold it. Don't move. So wait. Go back to that last pose. That one right there. But look this way for me. Look up this direction. No. Keep your arms the same. Keep your arms the same. Just your head. There you go. That looks great. Hold it.
Start walking up towards me.
Perfect. That looks great. Thank you.
So funny.
Yes.
And that is a wrap for today with Ava and the team here in Palos Verdes. Thank you guys for joining me here on The Journal.